I want to assure you members that this morning, the reason we came a little late, I was having a meeting with SRC on your behalf. And we have called them to order on a few things. And we believe that before we finish this induction workshop, I'll be able to make several pronouncements on your privileges. Nobody in their right frame of mind will interfere with your car allowances, with your mileage reimbursements, and with your mortgage and everything else that you have been having, because that is your entitlement. And as your speaker, I'll ensure that we engage positively.
In the execution of its mandate, SRC must embrace the spirit of dialogue and consultation. And that's what the Speaker has stressed this morning. And we hope that in the fullness of time, a solution is going to be arrived at.
We are elected by our people. We need to serve our people well without shortcuts. So if anything comes from CRC, it's okay.
We've got bigger issues to prosecute in the 13th Parliament. And when you think about it, when you look at the economy of the country and all the pending business, there is already so much in our entry that the matters of a beef between Parliament and SRC take a back burner.